Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Bowers and Wilkins PX7 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth button at the top and now go to Settings. After that, slide up power button and it should enter to pairing mode automatically. But if we can see that this LED light is start blinking blue, you should just slide up and hold until this LED light is start to be blue. Here we go. Now we should see it at the device list. Click Connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!